Slicers. Sometimes you want to show the data to other people who are not that, let's say, fluent in Excel and might have problems with all the filters we operate here with the pivot table. So for them, we actually have a very nice tool, which also will help you to go through the data fast, which is called Slicers. Slicers is just filters visible to other people with a graphical, nice view. How to put them. So first of all, you have to go to the pivot table. You have to have it defined. Once you have it defined, you go to this white space and then you put insert, and there you've got the slicers. The slicers, I can put whatever I want from the columns we've got here. Let's say we want to do the location as a one slicer and then format of the store as a second slicer. So we added two of them, and this actually works exactly as filters. So if I press here, then he gives me just everything which is a shopping mall. And if I press here, he will give me all the stores which are in a shopping mall and are a big format. If I want to have more options, I have to press Control and then we do it like this. So here we have everything. And let's say here we put the big and big box. So as you can see, very nice graphical manner to show the filters and to teach people who are not fluent with Excel or pivot table how to work with this. Sometimes you want to use the slicers also to make some sort of a dashboard, so this is also visible. It is quite often just enough, to put this into white, so you get nice visibility. And then you can also play with the colors of the slicers here. So pick one of the formats for one or both of them and make it also very attractive from the graphical point of view. So play with the slicers and see what kind of dashboards you can create out of this.